What's going on, you guys? It is me, CGVRP, back on your screen with a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below to join me and CGVRP second today. And today is the last day of school for Christmas break. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and go wait for our bus outside. And yeah, let's get it started. Goodbye, Dad. Oh my word. Now I gotta wait for my bus to come. Alright, my bus should be coming right now. Alright, I can't wait. Alright, here comes the bus, guys. Good morning, CGVRP. How are you this morning? Pretty good. How about you? I'm pretty good. That's good. Alright, ready to go to school? You excited for the last day of school for Christmas break? Yeah, I'm so excited. Woo-hoo. Yeah. And then I won't be driving this bus for a couple of weeks. For 2 weeks. Yeah. And this one will keep showing up on me. I hate this thing so much. Yeah. Let's see if we got everyone on the bus then. And we'll head to the school. Down the road to the school right now. We're almost at the school. Alright, you guys, here we are. We're on the road to the school. Have a good day, guys. You too, bus driver. I think we're reporting to PE class first, so let's go ahead and head there. Alright, we gotta wait for the bell to ring. Alright, good morning, class. Today, we are going to be running 5 laps around the gym. You may all start right now. Okay. 1. Okay, I can't believe we're starting our day with laps, you guys. This is unbelievable. Oh, my word. 2. Man. 3. 4. No, this is 4. Yeah, no, that was 4 over there. And 5. Alright, good job, guys. Looks like everyone ran 5 laps. Now, we are going to be seeing who can dance better. Okay? Go ahead and do it right now. Okay, guys, let's see. /E dance. Oh my word. Oh my word. We're definitely getting an A+ on this. Like, you know, dance. Oh my word. Okay. Guys? Yeah? Can you guys stop what you're doing for a minute? Yeah, what is it? Teacher? Coach? I mean. There seems to be like a big old winter storm coming to Greenville in like 2 more hours. So we're probably gonna have to do an early release. An early release? Yeah. Are you kidding me? Oh my word. Yes, guys, we'll have to wait for the buses. We'll have to call them in early today to come pick you guys up. Oh my word, I can't believe that. Let's go ahead and get some popcorn while we wait as well for the bus to come pick us up. Oh my word, I can't believe that. Oh my word, we're just gonna have to wait for our buses over here outside. Oh man. Alright, let's go ahead and wait here. Alright. Alright, the buses should be coming any minute now. Every bus is leaving the bus barn pretty quick because the storm is coming sooner than we expected. Oh my word, I can't believe it. I can't believe we're getting a snowstorm in 2 hours. Oh my word. Alright. Well. Oh my word. Oh my word. Bus is trying to floor it to make sure we get home safe. Here comes our bus, guys. Oh my word. Look at that. Look at early release. Okay. Let's go ahead and get in our bus. We finish our popcorn. Alright, Mr. Bus Driver, let's just get home now. I just can't believe this. Let's get home earlier than we expected. Oh my word. Bus Driver, is your bus okay? The bus will move! Oh my word. Oh my word! Oh my gosh. Is the bus still working? Okay, there we go. Alright guys. Come on, bus driver. Let's get us home. Camping today's been pretty crazy. Man. Oh, my bad. Come on, bus driver, stop playing with us today. Don't. Alright, guys, well. I don't know why you guys have stroke light on right now, but I'm just going to get home. Alright, bus driver, get us home as fast as you can. We are not staying here in Greenville, Wisconsin right now, because I think me and my dad are going to evacuate and we're going to get home. We're going to take shelter somewhere in Greenville. I just can't believe we're getting out of school early today. And the rest of the day is just going to be a learning day, I guess. But even though I think actually we're just going to be hanging out and chilling when we get home and take shelter. But for now, we're just going to hope and pray that this storm goes away soon. And the bus driver's trying to get us home as fast as they can so we can already be home. I can't believe it. Come on, bus driver. We're stopping at the red lights. We gotta get home. We're really trying to make sure we get home as soon as we can. Come on, bus driver. Floor it, floor it, floor it. This is how fast a bus can go, guys. I'm sorry. Be a little patient, okay? We're almost at your house, CGRP. Don't worry. Okay. Bus driver, why do you have your stroke light on? Like, it's not even happening right now. Well, guys, it's gonna happen sooner than we think, so that's why I'm having mine on. Signal turns off automatically on me, I swear I do. Alright, guys. Well. Alright, guys. Have a good day, bus driver. You too. Stay safe. Alright. Oh, my word. I can't believe it. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.